Good morning, children. Today we are going to see some visuals associated with our previous classes. Chapter 1. Food, where does it come from? First topic, food variety. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. So, we eat different kinds of food items at different times. And there we already discussed some examples of ingredients. Okay, next topic, food materials and sources. Plants are the important source of the food. We use fruits and vegetables for food. And what are the sources of rice or wheat? Yes, we get grains of rice and wheat from paddy field or wheat field. Okay, so we get food items like milk, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, prawns, beef, pork and such others which come from animals. Plants are the sources of food. Ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Next topic, plant parts and animal products as food. We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants. Sometimes roots, sometimes stems and even flowers. Some plants have two or more edible parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. And can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? From all the food items, we can identify plant parts that used for food preparation. And next we are talking about sprouted seeds, that a small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. If not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water and leave them aside for another day. Covered with a wet cloth, the next day see if the seeds have sprouted. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. They can also be boiled. Add some spices and get a tasty snack to eat. Another product, honey. Do you know where honey comes from or how it is produced? Bees collect nectar from flowers, convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So, bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. Next topic, what do animals eat? Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of? A dog, cat, buffalo or a goat? you will then surely be aware of the food the animals eat. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, pigeon, lizard or a small insect may be eating as their food? According to type of food the animals eat, they are classified into 3 types. Animals which eat only plants or plant products. These are called herbivores. So many examples are there. There are some animals which eat other animals. These animals are called carnivores. Do you find some animals which eat both plants and animals? Yes, these are called omnivores. And we can find out more examples for herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So, we need to find ways by which more food can be grown in the country. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each and every one of us. Okay. So, I think you understood clearly and thank you.